Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a logo using Canva. It's super easy. Please follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So before that, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. So let's go ahead to Canva. This is the main page of Canva. So to create a logo using Canva, you can either write here or click on create a design and write here logo. As you can see, there are different type of logo. YouTube channel logo, there are two types: Twitch logo, animated one, badge, and whichever you prefer you can select from here, or simply click on logo, which is 500 by 500, which is the standard one. So we're going to choose this one. It will open a new page for you. As you can see, we have various different options in our left hand side. You can see these are the templates that you can use to customize your logo. For example, if you think that your logo should be a business one, you can either write here business. You can write here business, and you will get various different options for your business logo. Any type of logo, whatever you have in your mind, you can just write here in the search bar. It will give you some templates where you can customize it and make it your own. If you think that you have a gaming company, you can write here gaming, and you can see that you have different types of options, and you can see there are more version of it, which is a pro version of Canva where you have to pay. Since we are not paying it, we will choose the free ones right here. For example, if you think that you like this logo, you can just either click on it, you can change the color of it, or for example, if you choose this option, this one, you can edit the image, you can add text, you can change the text. For example, Gamers Club, you can change it, you can customize it to your own likings, you can change the fonts. For example, this one, if you think this is the font that you like, you can use this one. Then you can add various types of text, and if you think that you don't like this logo, you have more options. You have multiple options in Canva which are free. And also, if you think that your logo is a little bit bland, you can go to elements and you can add more elements from here. For example, if you want to add it, let's say an image, let's say, so you will write here image. You can have rectangular image where you can insert your own image, and if you want to insert your own picture that you have in your mind, you can simply go in uploads and upload your file image right from here. You can customize it to your own liking. You can change the background color. For example, from here you can change it to this one, or you can choose a gradient color, for example this one. And if you think this is again too bland, but it's okay, you have multiple options. You can choose any one of them and you can customize it to your own liking. If you want to choose this one, add to a new page, or you can replace the current page. Let's say this one. You can change the heading of it. I'm just simply going to write logo. Okay, you can change, for example, this is the main element of this logo. If you don't want it, you can just remove it. You can go to elements, you can get another element that you like. For example, if you want a lion, Canva doesn't have many options like lions or giraffes, so you can just go to Google and find a PNG image of a logo of a lion and just insert here like this one. If you think this is a good one, you can insert it. You can change the color, you can edit the image, for example. You can crop it, you can change the color of it too. So this one, if you want to match it, you can change the subheading. You can customize your logo to your own likings. This is the best part of Canva. You have a lot of options to customize your logo. You have a lot of elements, you have a lot of designs, and you don't even have to pay. But there are some specific templates which is premium, which is very premium, and not a lot of people use it, and it is much more customizable with Canva Pro. But I don't think that's necessary because Canva is already providing us with a lot of options. So you can customize it to your own liking. For example, if you want to change the background color, you can just change it from here, like this one, or this one, or this one. You can change it to your own likings. And if you want to have a text which is a glowing type, a neon type, you can select this one, a glow, or this one. It will give you this type of neon text, and you can also customize this one. Let's say Gamers Club again. You can resize it. You can change the color of it from here if you don't like the color. You can change it like this one. You can resize it. You can even change the fonts of it if you want. From here you can go to fonts and you can select any type of font that you like, which is your favorite. This one or this one. Any type of fonts is there, but there are some fonts that are also in Canva Pro, so you have to bear that in mind. So as you can see, it's super easy to create your own logo without even paying to freelancers in Fiverr or Upwork or any other external website. You can create your own logo and use it, and you don't even have to pay anything. You just have to customize it, choose a template, choose some elements, customize it to your own liking, and you will have a unique logo like this one. I hope this video has helped you in creating your own logo using Canva, and thank you for watching.